Kids, how are you all? Hope you all are doing fine. So I hope you completed the question answers and hard words of this lesson. Which one? Yeah, the divided horse cloth. So it was our 6th lesson and we have almost finished that, only the objective part is left. So what was that in the lesson we learned? That we should, as we sow, we shall reap it, isn't it? As we sow, we reap it. जैसा हम करेंगे वैसा हम भरेंगे. So who taught this lesson? Luke, the merchant's grandson, taught his father this lesson, that we should not be rude with our parents. We should be speak with them in a polite manner, and we should always respect our parents. Okay, kids. So here we have finished half of the exercises. Today we will continue our rest of the exercise. So get ready with your readers at page number, that is 46. Page 46. Okay, so here the 46 on the page 46, A bit we have already finished in our last class. So today we will do the B bit. So in this, if the adverb have a similar meaning, write S. If they have the opposite meaning, write O. So here these words, in this two words are given. If these two words are having similar meaning, same meaning agar hota hai, to we have to write S. Agar opposite meaning hota hai, to we have to write O. So here see the first one, always, never. So it's the opposite. So write O there. Next is angrily, widely. So it's having same meaning. Angrily ka matlab bhi gussa and widely ka matlab bhi gussa. So write S in there. Then distinctly, clearly. These two also have the same meaning. Distinct means clear vision. Clearly means clearly only. Dono ka bhi meaning same hai. So write S there. Then lazily, idly. We know this, lazy, alsi, and idly means alsi. Do ka bhi meaning same hai, so we should write S. Happily, gladly. Happily and gladly. So these two also are having the same meaning. So write S there. Politely, rudely. It's in opposite meaning. Okay, polite means नरमी से बात करना, rudely means बदतमीजी से बात करना. Then so it is opposite in meaning. So write O there. So next is choose the 4 nouns from the help box that can go with the following verbs. One is done for you. Okay. On the next page you are having words. ये words में से choose करके what we have to do, we have to write in the categories. Okay. So here first thing is place given. So we have to find in this box. So what are the playing things here? Like notebooks, glider, cake, carom, ludo. Okay. Ludo, hockey, carom and cricket. These are playing things. So we should write in the category of play. Okay, ye play ki list mein likhna hai. Then next is read. So what do we read? We read books, then we read letters, then we read stories, and then what else? We read magazines. So right here, books, letters, stories and magazines. And in the next one, fly is given. Okay, but here by mistake of the printing, ludo game and carom, the games options are given. So what we have to do, you have to strike this one out and write the flying things. So what are the flying things here? Kite, glider, and then airbus and jet. Okay, so write kite, glider, airbus and jet here. So these are the flying things. Next is eating things. What do we eat? Cake. We eat cake, we eat bread, then we eat apple and we eat butter. Okay, so right here cake, bread, apple and butter. Then drinking. What are the drinking items here? What do we drink? We drink juice, we drink water, we drink milk and we drink syrup. So right here juice, milk, water and syrup. And next is driving things. What are the driving things? Those are where are the driving things? Yeah, car, van, jeep and bus. Car, van, jeep and bus. So these are the driving things. Like this you have to differentiate the items and write according to the given thing. Now next is speaking skill. So what does it say about? It says that you have to practice this at home with your parents or siblings. So now today what's our topic? So it says you have a grandfather or grandmother living with you. If yes, discuss with your partner the following points. Okay. So what do you have to do in this? Today's our topic is if you are having a grandfather or grandmother at your home. So what you have to do? You have to discuss about them with your partner. तो हम उनके बारे में क्या discuss करेंगे? How do they behave towards you? Means आपके grandparents आपके साथ कैसा behave करते हैं? Do they beat you? Do they talk with you politely? Do they love you? Do they hate you? This you have to discuss. Next is how they behave towards your parents. आपके grandparents आपके parents के towards क्या behave करते हैं? How do they behave towards them? Like do they talk them with them rudely? Do they just irritate them? Do they trouble them? This you have to discuss. And next is how you behave towards them. How you behave. आप कैसा उनके साथ behave करते हो? Like do you shout at them? Do you always make fun of them? What do you do with them? आप उन्हें सताते हो, उनके साथ बदतमीजी करते हो? Do you back answer them? That you have to discuss. And how your parents behave towards them. Then next is how your parents, जैसे आपके मम्मी एंड पापा आपके grandparents के साथ कैसा behave करते हैं? Do they shout at them? Do they talk with them with a loud voice? What else? Do they not obey them? उनकी बात नहीं मानते, उन पे चिल्ला के बात करते हैं. What? How do your parents, आपके मम्मा पापा आपके grandparents के साथ कैसा behave करते हैं? That you have to talk about. Then role play the conversation between Luke and his father at the end of the lesson. So अभी जो हमने end of the lesson जो paragraph किया है, in that Luke ने क्या किया? अपने father के लिए grandfather का stand लेते हैं. He talked with his father saying that you should not do like this to the father because even again in our old age I might send you out of the house. So this was the conversation between Luke and his father. So what you have to do? You have to enact like Luke. आपको क्या करना है? Luke की तरह बात करना है, बस आपके friends के सामने, not in front of your parents. आपके friends के साथ आपको ये role enact करना है. Okay. Now next come to this comprehension. Read the following passage carefully. So it's a story. It's a passage. So ये passage के end में we will be having questions that is at the back of your page. Those questions we have to answer after reading this story. So what is this story? When Mr. Jones went to a restaurant one day, he left his coat near the door. There was nothing in the pockets of the coat when he left it. So he was very surprised when he looked at his coat after his meal and found the pockets full of jewelry. So a man named Mr. Jones, he went to a restaurant, and as we go to any place, we have to leave the baggage outside at the counter. So Mr. Jones also left his coat before entering into the restaurant to have his meal. So what was in his pockets? It was nothing. There was nothing in his pockets when he left the coat at the baggage center. And when he came back, so he was very surprised when he took his coat after his meal and found the pockets full of jewelry. So when he came back out of the restaurant after having his meal, he was shocked to see his coat full of jewelry. जब वो खाना खाने गए थे, जब कोट बाहर रखा था बैगेज सेंटर पे, तो the coat was empty. कोट के pockets बिल्कुल empty थे. But when he came back and took the coat, he found that his coat pockets were full of jewelry. There was a waiter near the door, so Mr. Jones said to him, "Somebody has made a mistake. He has put some jewelry in my coat. Take it, and when he comes back, give it to him." The waiter took it and went away. Suddenly, another man came in with a coat just like Mr. Jones. "I'm sorry," said the man. "I made a mistake. I took your coat and you have got mine. Please give me my coat and jewelry." Mr. Jones answered, "I gave the jewelry to the waiter. He will give it to you." So there was a waiter near the door. When he saw that his pockets were full of jewelry, he gave that jewelry to the waiter near the door and said, "Okay, somebody has put this jewelry into my pocket. So when he come back to ask this jewelry, please give that person this jewelry." So the waiter took the jewelry and went away. And then at a time, what happened? Another man came to Mr. Jones and asked, "Hey, by mistake I have taken your coat and I have given my coat to you, so please give me my coat back." So what happened? What did Mr. Jones said? Jones said, "Okay, yeah, I too saw that coat. My coat pockets were full of jewelry, but that jewelry I have given to the waiter. You can go and ask him." तो Mr. Jones ने क्या बोला कि आप की जो ज्वेलरी थी मैंने वो वेटर को दी है, आप वेटर के पास से ज्वेलरी यू कैन टेक इट बैक. So Mr. Jones called the manager of the restaurant, but the manager said, we have no waiters here, we have only waitresses. You gave the jewelry to a thief, shouted the other. I shall send for the police. Mr. Jones was frightened and said, and paid the man a lot of money for the jewelry. So what did Mr. Jones did? Mr. Jones called the manager, but the manager what said? He said, we are not having any waiters here, we are just having waitresses. तो मेल जेंडर को वेटर बोलेंगे एंड गर्ल फीमेल जेंडर को बोलेंगे वेट्रेसेस. ओके, तो वी आर हैविंग जस्ट वेट्रेसेस एंड वी आर नॉट हैविंग द वेटर. सो द अदर मैन वाज शॉक्ड एंड शाउटेड कि यू हैव गिवन माय ज्वेलरी टू अ थीफ एंड आई विल सेंड यू टू द पुलिस. सो मिस्टर जोन गॉट फ्राइटेंड एंड व्हाट ही डिड, ही हैड टू पे द full amount of the lost jewelry. Okay kids, so now turn your pages. On this page we are having some questions related to the passage. This we have to answer now. So who was the owner of the jewelry? Jewelry का owner कौन था? Actual owner, who was owner? Mr. John? No. The thief? No. An unknown person. An unknown person was the owner of the jewelry. Next, what did Jones think about the jewelry in the pockets? Jones, what did he thought? उन्होंने क्या सोचा पॉकेट में जो ज्वेलरी थी? He thought that somebody by mistake has put the jewelry in his coat. क्या सोचे वो कि किसी ने by mistake ये ज्वेलरी मेरे कोट में लगा दिए. Then tick the correct choice. So we are given options here. From that correct option we have to tick. Jones really gave the jewelry to. Jones ने really किसे दी थी ज्वेलरी? वेटर को, thief को, ओनर को या मैनेजर? He has given the jewelry to a thief. Then Jones wanted the other man to. The unknown person who came to claim the jewelry. What did Jones wanted to do him? वो आदमी को क्या चाह रहे थे Jones? He wanted to send for the police, call the manager, get the jewelry from the waiter or take back his coat and jewelry. He said, get the jewelry from the waiter. John ने क्या बोला वो unknown person को कि I have given my jewelry to a waiter, so go and get your jewelry from him. Now, you gave the jewelry to a thief. You here refers to. So, when manager said कि we are having only waitresses, we are not having waiters. So, the unknown person shouted कि you have given the jewelry to a thief. तो you किसे रिफर होता है इस सेंटेंस में? मैनेजर, thief या फिर मिस्टर जोन्स? मैनेजर, वेटर, वेट्रेसेस या जोन्स? So it says here Jones. Okay kids, so I hope you understand this, and so in our next class we will start our new chapter. So till then I believe you will complete all the chapters, all the lessons including the hard words and the grammar part. Do complete it on time kids, don't make it pending. Okay, so till then stay home, stay safe and don't trouble your parents.